Hello and welcome to Arragons Cycles. I'm putting together a short video explaining how to remove the battery on a Scott sub bike equipped with a new smart system Bosch. Step one is to remove the key from the bike. The key for the battery is exactly the same as on the frame lock. So on the drive side, you need to put your thumb on the lever, turn the key and push the lever down. Bar in place, the key is then removed. Step two on the gents and ladies frame options is to remove the frame cover on the battery by pressing the plastic part down with your thumb, and then it should just simply lift off. I'd then place this with the paint side up on the ground. Once you've removed the cover from the battery on the frame, it's time to turn the key. So put a hand underneath just in case. Key's in, turn the key, the battery drops down. Next step is to press the little black plastic tab located here. Press this down, the battery will then come out and you've got the charge port there. If you're putting the bike in winter storage and putting the battery in the house or on the back of a camper van or car, you can then replace the cover, pop it in the bottom first, press the plastic tab at the top down, that goes in, cover back on. Refitting the battery is the same but in reverse, so you need to make sure the charge port is at the same orientation it is on the bike, so you need to have the charge port at the top of the battery. So you pop the bottom in first and in like that. You then need to go around the other side and turn the key. Once the battery is at the point where it doesn't go any further itself, you need to then turn the key. The battery will then just clip in and the key comes out. Shouldn't feel hard to do this. If it does feel hard and you feel resistance, then you're doing something wrong. Last part's to refit again the cover, so bottom in first, top bit sorted. The last part is to put the key back in the frame locks, pop that back in there, give it a turn, the bar comes out the wheel and you're good to go. Right, the unisex frame is a little bit different in how we remove the battery, as the battery comes out the top rather than the bottom. Same principles. First thing to do is remove the cover, pressing the top plastic part down and it just comes off. Key comes out the frame lock exactly the same. Turn the key, push the lever down the left hand side, key comes out. Next step, put the key in the lock barrel, give it a turn, battery rises out, press the plastic tab, that one, down at the top, battery comes out. Refitting the battery on the unisex bike is similar to the men's and ladies variants. Just need to make sure that the charge port on the battery lines up with the connector on the bike. So pop the charge port at the front and make sure the battery's writing is facing forward and you can see it. Bottom in first, like that, and then just turn the lock key clockwise. Battery then just pushes in. If it feels hard, stop, you're not doing something right, and then the key just comes out. Just simply pop the cover back on after that and then place the key back in the lock. Hopefully this video is helpful and is useful for you in removing and refitting the battery on your new Scott electric bike. Thanks for watching.